now it's time to clean up the resources. Let me delete the sudo I and let me delete the cluster. So error reading, so the cluster has been successfully deleted. Let me show you that. This is the complete log of that, and the cluster has been deleted. Let me get into that. Let me refresh it instances and refresh this. It's gone. Only one instance is left, that's kops. So these are the services that we have created. A EC2 instance, it's kops T2 medium and medium in Oregon, and we have S3 bucket, S3 bucket in Oregon, and IAM users and route53 and elastic block storage, store volumes and auto scaling groups. These were automatically created, they will automatically be deleted. So now one by one these things we have to remove. So let me stop the EC2 instance first and then I'll uncheck it. So kops instance terminated. So the instance has been terminated. So it's done. I'll say it's done. Next, S3 bucket. We have to get into the S3. Yes, this one kops is gone. Now let me show you that EC2 instances. Yes, no, nothing is running. It's terminated. Kops is terminated. You see that it's terminated. Now let me get into the S3 bucket. S3 services, that's a scalable storage in cloud. And so at this moment we have one bucket. Let me select this and delete. So v profile, you have to type the name. Just copy from, no, that's not possible. Let me profile and delete. Okay, sorry. V profile Charan kops state. Yeah, and delete the bucket. So successfully deleted bucket. So that's also done. Now this is also done. Now let me calm down a bit. Minuses. So now I am user. So cop segment, that's the user we have created, and AWS access type. Okay, these are all fine. So I am user. If you want to delete, you can delete, or else you can keep it. So let me get into the IAM user from here. IAM user. Yeah, I have 3 users and 7 roles. So this is kops ADM, kops admin. If you want to delete, just select that and click delete and type and let me show you. So type kops admin and click on delete. It will be deleted. Now I'll keep it. I'll see after some time I'm going to delete that. At this moment I'll keep it like that only. So this is also done. Now one more thing, the most important service, route53 zone. So let me get into route 53, scalable DNS and domain name registrations. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Okay, we have one DNS hosted zone. Let me click on that hosted zone. So now I will select that this is our hosted zone kubewipro.mlag.com. I'll select this and I will delete this hosted zone. To delete this, I have to type delete and click on delete. So that's it. Hosted zone kubewipro.mlag.com was successfully deleted. So now what left? Only Elastic block store volumes. For that, I have to get into the EC2 instances, EC2 dashboard, and then on left menu, I'll find out that EBS volumes, Elastic Block Store. Yeah, where is that? Yeah, here volumes. And let me select this. This is what now we have created 3 GB and we have attached that US West 2A. Let me select it and delete volume and click on delete. That's it, it's been deleted. Now let me mark this also, and this one is also done. Okay, now remaining things, remaining services, whatever we have used, these two auto scaling groups and VPC, these are automatically created by the kops. Let me show you auto scaling groups. Okay, now it's gone, no auto scaling group. Now similarly I will okay, even virtual private cloud, that's also gone, because once your hosted network zone is gone, that's also gone. So these things you don't need to manually delete, so automatically these will be deleted because it was created by kops. When kops is gone, and whole system is gone, that also will be gone, so automatically. Okay, so with this, we have cleaned it up. We have removed everything, whatever we have attached, whatever we have used, all the services that we have created earlier, all the services we have stopped it and we have deleted it. So now you don't need to worry about billing. You can sleep well.